Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to bring back the Save As option in Microsoft Office 365 and disable Save As Cloud option in Microsoft Office application. So when you try to create a document and try to save as, by default, it will give you an option to save the file into cloud. Now you can go ahead and disable this option. To do this, you will have to go ahead and click on file at the top left corner of your any Office application and then click on options. Once you click on option, you will have to go ahead and click on save. On the save tab, you will see an option which says save documents. Under save documents, you will have to go ahead and uncheck the box which says don't show the backstage when opening or saving the files in keyboard shortcut. So if you click on OK, now if you click on save as option or save option in any of the document, you would not see the save as option into cloud in your application. Now these options are applicable for all the Office application. If you disable it in Word, it will also disable it in Excel, PowerPoint or OneNote. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.